Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss one of very important topics of polynomials, or I should say factorization of polynomials, which is remainder theorem. Okay, so according to this theorem, remainder theorem is used to calculate remainder of division of two polynomials without dividing them actually. Okay, so first of all, let us understand what does this theorem says. Okay, so according to this theorem, if f of x is a polynomial, f of x हमारा कोई polynomial है whose degree is greater than 1, degree of f of x polynomial f of x की जो डिग्री है that should be greater than 1, and if this f of x is divided by any linear polynomial से अगर हम इस f of x को डिवाइड करें, लेट लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल हम x माइनस ए कंसिडर कर रहे हैं, वेयर a शुड बी अ रियल नंबर, a कोई रियल नंबर होना चाहिए. दीज आर सम कंडीशंस क्या हैं? f of x जो पॉलिनोमियल है दैट शुड इट्स डिग्री शुड बी ग्रेटर देन 1 एंड दिस f of x शुड बी डिवाइडेड बाई, हमें f of x डिवाइडेड बाई x माइनस ए, इस डिवीज़न का रिमाइंडर फाइंड आउट करना है. सो x माइनस ए शुड बी अ लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल. इट मीन्स जो हमारा डिवीज़र है दैट शुड नॉट बी क्वाड्रेटिक और क्यूबिक, इट शुड बी लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल and a should be a real number. So these are some conditions, and now if we have to find remainder of f of x divided by x minus a. So without dividing them actually, इसका रिमाइंडर फाइंड करने के लिए अकॉर्डिंग टू रिमाइंडर थ्योरम, रिमाइंडर इज इक्वल टू f ऑफ a. इट मीन्स जो भी ये हमारा रियल नंबर है, x की प्लेस में हम इस रियल नंबर की वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करके एंड देन पॉलिनोमियल को कैलकुलेट करेंगे एंड दैट विल बी अवर रिमाइंडर. ओके, सो ओके, दिस वाज बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट. एंड फॉर सॉल्विंग क्वेश्चंस, हाउ कैन यू सॉल्व? यू विल बी गिवन पॉलिनोमियल, एक पॉलिनोमियल गिवन होगा एंड उस पॉलिनोमियल का डिवीज़र गिवन होगा. देन व्हाट विल वी डू? वी विल इक्वेट दिस टू ज़ीरो. x माइनस ए जो भी आपको गिवन है, हम इसको ज़ीरो के इक्वल करेंगे एंड देन वी विल फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x. ओके, एंड दिस वैल्यू ऑफ x विल बी सब्सटीट्यूटेड टू द पॉलिनोमियल f of x in place of x, and then we will calculate the result. Okay, so that was the theorem. Now let us solve some examples. Okay, so here is our first question. In the following, using remainder theorem, find the remainder when f of x is divided by g of x. दो polynomials given है, first one is f of x and next one is g of x. You have to calculate remainder when f of x is divided by g of x, but using remainder theorem. Not you have to divide them actually, but you have to use remainder theorem. Okay, so as we saw, f of x is a polynomial whose degree is greater than 1. Okay, this condition is satisfied. g of x is a linear polynomial, इसकी डिग्री 1 है. Okay, this condition is also satisfied. एंड जो हमारा x माइनस ए है दैट शुड बी अ रियल नंबर, तो यहाँ पे एक रियल नंबर ही है. नाउ टू कैलकुलेट इट्स रिमाइंडर, वी विल फर्स्ट इक्वेट g ऑफ x टू ज़ीरो. g ऑफ x को हम ज़ीरो के इक्वल करेंगे. इट मीन्स x माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू ज़ीरो एंड x इज इक्वल टू 1. नाउ in f of x we will put this value of x, that is x is equal to 1, and will calculate the remainder. Therefore remainder is equal to f of 1. x की प्लेस में हमें 1 पुट करना है. Now this is our f of x. 4x power 4 minus 3x power 3 minus 2x square plus x minus 7. Put 1 in place of x, so it will become 4 into 1 power 4 minus 3 into 1 power 3 minus 2 into 1 का square plus 1 minus 7. Now calculate 1 की power 4, that will be equal to 1. 4 into 1 minus here also 3 into 1 minus 2 into 1 plus 1 minus 7. So this will give 4 minus 3 minus 2 plus 1 and minus 7. So 4 and 1 are positive numbers, so 4 plus 1 will be 5, and these three are negative numbers, so 3, 2 and 5. It is 7. So it will give 13. It is 12. Okay, so we will get 5 minus 12. 5 minus 12 will be equal to minus 7. And this is our required remainder or result of the question. Okay, so in this way you can find the remainder using remainder theorem. Now let us see some more examples. Here is the next one. Question same है, f of x given है, g of x given है, and you have to find remainder. So first of all हम लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल को 0 के इक्वल करेंगे. सो x plus 2 is equal to 0. From here you will get x is equal to minus 2. So now remainder कैलकुलेट करने के लिए you will put minus 2 in place of x in f of x. That is you will calculate f of minus 2. x की प्लेस में just put minus 2. So let us write f of x 2x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 2x square minus x plus 2. Now put minus 2. 2 into minus 2 whole power 4 minus 6 into minus 2 whole power 3 plus 2 into minus 2 का square minus, and x की place में you have to put minus 2, and last one is plus 2. Okay, now solve this. 2 into minus 2 की power 4, so first thing it will become positive, and 2 की power 4 it will be 16 minus 6 into minus 2 का क्यूब करेंगे, so it will be a negative number, and 2 का क्यूब 8 plus 2 into minus 2 का square again positive 4. This minus and minus will become plus 2, and last one is plus 2. 16 into 2, 32. Minus 6 into minus 8, this will give plus 48. 2 into 4, this will be 8 plus 2 plus 2. All these are positive numbers, so just add them and you will get your result. After adding them you will get 92. So that will be your answer. Okay, this is the remainder of the given polynomials. Now let us see next one. Again the question is same. F of x is given, g of x is given. The only change is pattern of g of x. Linear polynomial का जो pattern है that is changed in all these questions which we are just discussing. So here again we will do the same thing. g of x को हम equal to 0 करेंगे. It will be 1 minus 2x is equal to 0. From here 1 is equal to 2x and 1 by 2 is equal to x. So x की value आपको मिली 1 by 2. Now to calculate remainder we will put x is equal to 1 by 2 in f of x. So to calculate remainder is equal to f of x की place में 1 by 2. So we will calculate f of 1 by 2. Now put the values. X cube minus 6x square plus 2x minus 4. So x की place में 1 by 2 whole cube minus 6 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 2 into 1 by 2 minus 4. Now just solve this equation and you will get your result. 1 by 2 का cube, it will be 1 by 8 minus 6 into squaring. So 1 का square 1 and 2 का square will be 4. This 2 and 2 will be cancelled out and you will get here 1 and minus 4. Again 6 and 4, it will also be cancelled out. So here you will get 3 and 2. Now 1 by 8 minus 3 by 2. If we solve these two numbers, so 1 minus 4, you will get minus 3. Okay. Now by taking LCM, we will solve. So LCM of 8 and 2 will be 8. So here you will get 1 minus. When you divide 8 by 2, it will be 4 and 4 into 3 will be 12. Here we can write 1. So 8 into 3, we will get here 24. Now 1 minus 24 and 12, both are negative numbers, so add them and this will be equal to 36 divided by 8 and it will be equal to minus 35 by 8. That is the required remainder of the division of given polynomials. Okay. Now let us see one more question. Here is our next question. This is different from the previous ones. If the polynomials ax cube plus 3x square minus 13 and 2x cube minus 5x plus a, दो polynomials given है. This is our first polynomial and this one is our second polynomial. When divided by x minus 2, both of these polynomials are divided by x minus 2. Leave the same remainder. Okay. When these two polynomials are divided by x minus 2, then their remainders are same. Then we have to find the value of a. हमें a की value calculate करनी है. So we will use the same remainder theorem. Let us take first polynomial as p of x and second polynomial as q of x. So p of x is given ax cube plus 3x square minus 13 and q of x is given 2x cube minus 5x plus a. First polynomial हमने p of x लिया and second polynomial हमने q of x लिया. Both of these polynomials are divided by x minus 2. It means x minus 2 को हम equal to 0 करेंगे. Okay. So from here you will get x is equal to 2. Now what you have to do to calculate remainder? First polynomial का remainder calculate करने के लिए we will put 2 in place of x and second polynomial का remainder calculate करने के लिए we will put 2 in place of x in q of x. Okay, and both of these remainders are same. It is given in the question. So since remainders are same, therefore we can write p of 2 is equal to q of 2. p of 2 will be remainder of first polynomial and q of 2 will be remainder of second polynomial. Since these remainders are same, so we can equate them. Now we will put 2 in place of x in both the polynomials. So first let me write polynomials. 3x square minus 13 is equal to 2x cube minus 5x plus a. Now put 2 in place of x. So it will be a into 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square minus 13. 2 into 2 cube minus 5 into 2 plus a. Now solve 2 cube. That will be equal to 8. So it will become 8a plus 3 into 2 का square 4 minus 13 is equal to 2 into 2 cube 8. 5 into 2 is 10 plus a. Sorry, it is not visible to you. Now it is visible to you. We have just solved one step. 2 का cube 8 and all these multiplications are done here. So now 8a plus 4 into 3 12 minus 13 is equal to 16 minus 10 plus a. It will be 8a. 12 minus 13 subtract करेंगे, so we will get minus 1 as 13 is the bigger number, and 16 minus 10 will be equal to 6 plus a. Now 8a and this a will, when come to left hand side, it will become negative, is equal to 6, and this minus 1 when goes to right hand side, it will become plus 1. Okay, so 8a minus a, this was the equation which we obtained. 8a minus a will be equal to 7a, and 6 plus 1 is 7, so a is equal to 7 by 7, that is 1. So from here we get our result, a is equal to 1, and this is our final result. Okay, so these was some questions using remainder theorem which we can solve using remainder theorem. So that's it for today. अब हम मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक नए टॉपिक के साथ, दैट इज़ फैक्टर थ्योरम. तब तक आप लोग क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करिए रिमाइंडर थ्योरम से रिलेटेड, एंड इफ़ यू आर हैविंग एनी डाउट देन प्लीज़ फील फ्री टू आस्क इन कमेंट सेक्शन. एंड ओके, ठीक है, वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करिए और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करिए, सो दैट मुझे मोटिवेशन मिले और ज़्यादा वीडियो प्रिपेयर करने के लिए. और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए सो दैट जब कोई नया वीडियो आए तो आपके पास नोटिफिकेशंस आने लगे. तो ओके, फिर हम मिलते हैं नए वीडियो में एक नए टॉपिक के साथ. तब तक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करिए. थैंक यू.